What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chef Com, back again with another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at this delicious potato recipe, very easy to make in a few minutes. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out whenever we post a new video, share and comment down below. Let's get to 500 subscribers before the end of this month. Let's get into the video. In a bowl filled with water, put 3 large potatoes and wash them. Then head over to the chopping board and begin chopping our potatoes into large cubes. Put them in a pot or pan, then fill it with water. Add salt and cook till they are soft. After our potatoes are done cooking and they are soft already, proceed with mushing them up. Then we still go ahead and squeeze them through a strainer in order to get a uniform texture. Then add paprika, marjoram, and mix them together. Then we can now add 7 tablespoons of potato starch, then mix well. So we now get a kneading board, sprinkle some potato starch on it, then get our mashed potato and put it on the board. Divide it in the middle, take 1/2 and begin spreading it on the board. First with your hands, then use a rolling stick to flatten the dough. Proceed with shaping the edges. So we proceed with the cutting of small strips of the same size. You can use any cutting material, so long as you're going to maintain the size. Done cutting, remove the strips and place them on the side. Repeat the same procedure on the remaining dough. Then when all is done, proceed and add cooking oil in a pan to fill it halfway, or you can even fill it up, but halfway is better. I'm using sunflower oil. Let the oil heat up and then add our strips one by one. Fry them on one side, then turn over to the next side to let it fry too. Fry till our potatoes are golden brown. That's when you begin removing them. Place them on a paper towel to drain out the excess oil. Then repeat the same procedure for the rest of the potato strips. All done and ready. Place them on the side. Melt 25 grams of butter on a preheated pan, then grate 5 cloves of garlic and add it to the pan, then stir. Add 1 spoonful of flour and stir while it's cooking. Add salt and 100 ml of milk and continue stirring till it begins to thicken. Add 4 slices of cheese on top and continue stirring till it all mixes up. Put it off the heat and place it on the side. We are going to be using it as a dipping sauce. Now that our crispy, delicious potato snack is ready, it's time to enjoy our recipe. Bon appetit! Don't forget to let me know in the comments whether you managed to recreate it, and if you did, how it tastes. Also, don't forget we are doing a post notification shout-out. If you want to be mentioned in the next video, what you have to do is drop a comment and add the hashtag post notification. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you are new, like the video, and turn on your post notifications so that you do not miss out whenever we post a new video. Share the video and comment on what I should make next. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. We love you. Stay safe, stay awesome. I am out. Peace.